squirming now.
Aww. Gotta give it to her. Just think of it, look at... I got it. Ah, she's so cute. They're gonna be proud.
Did you get a salad? Last night?
Yeah, she got me.
It's like pudding, kind of.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, it's not like a hard candy. Like, you bite into it and it tastes like pudding.
Mine was like lime flavored or something.
Mine was like banana and
apple,
chocolate.
yeah.
Yeah. Did you get one, Anika?
No, I don't think
You
so.
can show them
Try
the
one.
sushi cast. Open it.